This year marks the 53rd March for Life and the 53rd anniversary since the passing of Roe versus Wade, which protected abortion as a right across the United States. Roe was overturned in 2022 with the historic decision of Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. It passed the authority to regulate abortion to the states. However, the pro-life movement continues to fight for life as the Catholic Church teaches that human life must be protected from conception to natural death. Joining me now to discuss is Congressman Chris Smith, representing New Jersey and co-chair of the Congressional Pro-Life Caucus. Thank you so much for coming on.
Veronica, thank you. And thanks for your great coverage. It's just amazing. We watch you all the time.
Thank you. Now, today marks the 53rd anniversary of the passing of Roe versus Wade. Tell us about the journey our nation has made to restore a culture of life.
Well, it's been incremental. There have been multiple setbacks and, of course, advances over the years. After we realized a human life amendment was probably not feasible with the supermajorities required, we then pushed a more, like I said, an incremental approach, constantly trying to enact legislation and policies and executive orders that would advance the culture of life. And we've had major success. Certainly the Dobbs decision which reversed Roe versus Wade, which a major step forward. And yes, there's bumps in the road, and some of the states, like my own state of New Jersey, are obsessed. The Democrats who run the state, including our new governor and the past one, with promoting abortion.
You are the co-chair of the Congressional Pro-Life Caucus, and you also co-sponsored the bill supporting Pregnant and Parenting Women and Families Act. Tell us about the work being done in Congress to protect life.
Well, there's a number of initiatives. Obviously, the funding issue has been going back to 1976 when Henry Hyde did his famous Hyde Amendment, which spawned a number of others. I did one on federal employees' health benefits program in 1984. It's still in effect to this day. And there are others, the Dornan Amendment, which dealt with D.C. So we tried to cut off funding, the hopes of which is that we don't want to be a part or complicit in killing babies and wounding their mothers. And we also know, and there's now empirical data, that when the money is not there to facilitate abortion, some women decide not to. And the Hyde Amendment has saved something on the order of 2.6 million babies.
What is your message to all the pro-life marchers who will be attending the March for Life tomorrow?
The main message is keep praying, fasting, working hard. Injustice need not be forever. And I do believe that we are winning hearts and minds. And, and we will be announcing, or the president will be announcing, thankfully. He's done it in part today, but tomorrow it's Vice President Vance, that the Mexico City policy, first articulated and announced by Ronald Reagan in 1984. Matter of fact, I offered the amendment to preserve it in 1985. We had fight after fight. It says none of our funds go to any organization that performs or promotes abortion overseas.
Representative Chris Smith, thank you so very much.
Thank you so much for having me.